Namaste. This is David Hawthorne at astroview.com. Today is the 9th of February, 2016. Here is the Vedic astrology chart for this German train crash that took place this morning, February 9th, just before 7 a.m. in Germany. There were 9 people who are dead, 2 are assumed missing, 50 are seriously injured. It was a head-on collision between 2 trains. Now, using systems approach to interpreting horoscopes, systems approach to Vedic astrology. This gives the Capricorn rising sign for the moment of the crash. And the Mahadasha is Mars, and the Antradasha subperiod is Venus. Now for the Capricorn rising sign, we say there are 5 favorable planets. These include Mercury, Moon, Mars, Saturn, and Venus. But the 8th house ruler, Sun, is a malefic planet, and the 12th house ruler, Jupiter, is a malefic planet. Now the ascendant is 10 degrees. Sun is at 25 degrees, almost 26 degrees old age. Sun is causing no damage in this chart, but it is weak, and it cannot protect and provide for its own significations, in this case the 8th house, which is accidents and death-like experiences. But notice that Mars, the Mahadasha ruler, which is a favorable planet, is in Libra, ruled by Venus. And Venus has gone into the 12th house, hospitals, losses, expenses, separations. Venus is in Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is a functional malefic planet, and it's in the 8th house of accidents and death-like experiences. And it's an exact conjunction with Rahu, the planet of unexpected calamities, also in the 8th house of accidents and death-like experiences. So Mars is utterly weak because of the weakness of its landlord and the weakness of Venus's landlord, Jupiter, which is afflicted by Rahu. Also, we see over here Ketu at 27 degrees throws an aspect 5 houses away, 7 houses away, and 9 houses away. Mars. So this Ketu at 27 degrees is afflicting Mars at about 25 degrees. This is about 28 degrees, this is about 25 degrees. But still, it's within the 5-degree orb of influence. If planets are not within 5 degrees of each other, there's no impact. But if they are within 5 degrees, either by conjunction or aspect, in this case the 9th aspect of Ketu, is afflicting Mars. Ketu's explosions and violence, also unexpected calamities. Ketu takes things away. So it aspects 5, 7, and 9 houses away. So Ketu is afflicting Jupiter, Rahu is afflicting Jupiter, Ketu is afflicting Mars. And the subperiod ruler Venus is in the 12th house of losses, ruled by the badly placed Jupiter in the house of death and accidents, afflicted by Rahu. And this Rahu also throws an aspect 5 houses away, 7 houses away, and 9 houses away. So this Rahu at 27 degrees, 28 degrees, is directly afflicting Venus. It's within the 5-degree orb. So unexpected calamities for Venus. Venus also rules transportation and what we call conveyances. Mars, in this case, rules the 4th house, which is also vehicles. And Jupiter, ruling the 12th house of death, end of life, losses, expenses, separations, is also afflicting Venus. So both Rahu and Jupiter are afflicting Venus, and Ketu is afflicting Mars. And this is a Mars main period and a Venus subperiod. Moon is also weak, less than 5 degrees. Mercury is also weak at 0 degrees. That's infant state. These two are in infant state. They're weak. Saturn is considered strong in this chart and well placed. But I think it's the Mars main period, Venus subperiod, that are contributing to the problem here. Both afflicted by Rahu and Ketu, the north and south nodes of the moon, mathematical ecliptic points. They cause eclipses, the eclipse of the sun and the moon. And the functional, these two are in planetary war. They're fighting each other. And they're both malefics, and they're both afflicting Venus. Venus rules the 10th house of karma, field of action, professional life. So our hearts and prayers are with those that were in the accident and their families. Namaste.